In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress a PDF in Affinity Designer. If you've got a PDF that's too large to email or upload, this quick process will help you create a smaller, shareable version using Affinity Designer's export options. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app. Once it's running, head to the menu bar and choose File, then click Open. Navigate to the PDF you want to compress, select it, and click Open. Affinity Designer may analyze the PDF and, depending on its contents, briefly present an import view. If you're unsure about any import options, the default settings are usually fine. Your goal here is simply to bring the PDF onto the canvas so you can export a lighter version. With your document open, look to the top right and click Export. This opens the export dialog where you'll choose how to compress your file. Because we're aiming for a smaller size, you can select JPEG, PNG, or SVG depending on the contents of your PDF and how you plan to use the result. JPEG generally produces the smallest files. It's a lossy format, which means it reduces size by discarding some detail, but for documents with photos or gradients, it often looks great at much smaller sizes. In the export settings, use the quality slider to find a good balance. A mid-range value commonly preserves clarity while cutting the file size dramatically. If your PDF contains a lot of flat graphics, icons, or text that needs to remain crisp, PNG keeps edges sharp, though the file may be larger than JPEG. For purely vector artwork, SVG can be very compact and stays infinitely scalable, but complex effects or embedded images can increase the size. It's best for clean, vector-based designs. Before exporting, check for options like pixel dimensions and DPI in the dialog. Reducing dimensions can significantly shrink the file, and for on-screen use, a lower DPI is typically sufficient. Make small adjustments in preview if possible so you maintain readability while trimming the size. It's also a good idea to keep your original PDF unchanged as a backup. When you're satisfied with your selection, click Export, choose a save location and file name, and confirm. Affinity Designer will generate the compressed output in your chosen format. After it saves, compare the new file size with the original. If you need it even smaller or a bit sharper, you can revisit export and fine-tune the settings. And that's all there is to it. You opened your PDF, chose the right export format, and saved a smaller file that's ready for quick sharing or uploading.